Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and in today's video we're going to be answering a question from the comments. So it's from the SQLite series where we were actually setting up a table and we're going through the Python use with SQL. So I thought this would be a perfect question. So what is a primary key used for? So first of all, awesome question. Thank you so much. So the way that I want you to think about a primary key is a unique value. So in this table, a perfect example, it's the customer table from our database that we've been using in our SQL series. So the customer ID. So in the customer first name, you could have a repeat name. You could have a repeat last name. You could have a repeat zip code. I mean, you can even see right here we have duplicates. But we want a unique. So you know the word distinct, that is a keyword. Another term that is floating around in the SQL universe is unique. So you can set a constraint and set a primary key. So this is kind of deeper down into the setting up of a table. You can assign a primary key, and that is actually associated with foreign keys, so you can talk about how these tables can be associated with each other. So absolutely great question. Please keep them coming, and make sure you're hitting that subscribe button, notification bell, jumping over to the Discord server. We have a ton of activity over there, a ton of help and support. If you have a question, if you need it very quickly answered, that is the place to ask it. There are people, we have a great admin and a moderator who spend a lot of time supporting that server. So please make sure you're jumping over there and keep these awesome questions coming. So as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.